At Techcross, we transform data into meaningful solutions through intelligent analytics and innovative tools. Our advanced platform enables smarter decisions and streamlines operations. Together, we're shaping a sustainable future with innovation and connectivity. Techcross Smart Platform receives large data through the ship's network like SATCOM and analyzes it. The system provides key information such as operation status, equipment condition, and abnormal alarms, with monthly reports for better vessel management. This is the monthly operation report. It includes data like the amount of ballast treatment, abnormal alarms, and operation trends. We send these reports to customers on the 10th of every month, helping you stay updated and proactive. This is the Techcross Smart Platform website. Here you can check important vessel data such as operation trends, abnormal alarms, and treatment amounts. For ship owners managing multiple vessels, the platform provides a centralized interface to monitor all owned vessels, ensuring seamless oversight and operational efficiency. Each user can securely view only their own ship's information, ensuring privacy. With just a few clicks, you can monitor your vessel's status anytime, anywhere. The Techcross Smart Platform uses two methods to receive data, direct and indirect. In the direct method, data is sent from the ship's network directly to the Techcross server using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. In the indirect method, the data passes through the ship's owner's server or other servers before reaching the Techcross server. Both methods ensure smooth and efficient data transmission for real-time vessel monitoring. The Techcross Smart Platform makes equipment management smarter and more efficient. Save time, reduce costs, and extend equipment life with advanced data insights. And setup? It's simple. Just connect to the internet and you're ready to go. Experience smarter vessel management with Techcross. This is a simple installation example. A LAN cable connects the CPC to the hub inside the CCR with this simple connection. The Techcross Smart Platform is ready to operate quickly and effortlessly. This is another installation example. When no hub is available in the CCR, the LAN cable connects to a nearby hub in the next room. With simple adjustments like this, the Techcross Smart Platform can be set up quickly and efficiently using your existing network. If the vessel cannot use a wired installation method, a wireless installation using Wi-Fi is possible. In this case, a Wi-Fi hub needs to be installed. Okay, let's move on to the next contents. Now let's take a look at some key cases where the Techcross Smart Platform has been successfully installed and applied. We'll share a few examples from recently completed projects to show its real-world benefits. On this vessel, the Techcross Smart Platform detected multiple high-temperature alarms within a single day. By analyzing the data, we identified an empty freshwater tank as the cause during ballast operations. The crew was notified immediately, refilled the tank, and the system returned to normal operation, avoiding further issues and saving time and cost. On this vessel, frequent TRO alarms were detected in a freshwater zone. Data analysis revealed that normal ballast operations were performed without mixing, which could have led to inspection failure and after-service costs. Thanks to the Techcross Smart Platform, we identified the issue quickly and corrected it to include mixing operations, ensuring smooth operation without further problems. On this vessel, the Techcross Smart Platform identified excessive neutralizer consumption. The data log showed 46 liters, but the actual usage reached 200 liters. By analyzing the data, we found a malfunction in the ANU metering pump. With this information, the service engineer was able to prepare the required parts and complete the repair quickly, restoring the system to normal operation. On this vessel, frequent ECU heatsink temperature high alarms and system trips occurred over 2 days. Data analysis revealed that the cooling valve was mistakenly closed by the crew. By identifying the misoperation, we were able to resolve the issue simply by reopening the valve, restoring the system to normal operation, and preventing further alarms. On this vessel, we observed that while sodium discharge continued to increase, there was no change in the TRO value. By analyzing the data, we suspected a blockage in the neutralization line and requested the crew to check the dosing line. After cleaning the blockage, the system returned to normal operation, resolving the issue and preventing further complications. Let's proceed on the next part. Here are a few additional details to wrap up the Techcross Smart Platform overview. Techcross has achieved global recognition for its strong cybersecurity capabilities. In addition to obtaining the LR cybersecurity certification, we recently became the first in the industry to receive the Cyber Resilience certification from the Korean Register on December 2, 2024. This certification, based on the IACS UR-E27 standard, proves our ability to design, operate, and recover from cyber threats, ensuring trusted and resilient systems for our customers. This form is used to gather essential IP information from the vessel before installing the Techcross Smart Platform. The critical details include ship name and IMO number, selected connection method such as LAN cable or Wi-Fi, the vessel's IP address, FTP or SFTP method for external server access. If a firewall exists, the provided details must be used to configure the firewall settings. Once the form is complete, the engineer can use this information to quickly set up the system and establish the connection. Let's address some frequently asked questions about Techcross Smart Platform. We'll go through them one by one to clear up any confusion and help you get the most out of the system.